Welcome to another Grandads Travels. Out on the e-bike, come for a little ride. Special guest, the reason why I'm a granddad, granddaughter Maci. It's a nice sunny day today, blue sky, little wispy bit of cloud, ideal. Just heading across the fields towards South Sea Lane. Now we're on Thorpe Park now, heading to the back of it. Right, well, after a little minor diversion, because Maci thought she knew where she was going and she sent me all wrong. She'll deny it, but that's the case. So anyway, we're heading towards the little bridge now that comes out, I believe. Oh no, we're not. Oh, we are totally lost. Oh dear, oh dear. Right, well, after another couple of diversions, I know exactly where we are now. But let this be a lesson to all you granddads out there. Always go with what you know and not what you're told. And we have made it. We have made it, Mace. Round the back of the Fitties. Rather nice. Over there is Thorpe Park that we just got lost on. But I know exactly where we are now. Grandad knows best. Granddads never leave anybody behind. Well, we've made it to the seafront, heading down the cycle path. That wind's actually a bit chilly coming off the water. It's nice to see the sun and blue sky. Sign of things to come, I hope. Right, well, we're on the metal bridge. We're heading home, and we're gonna say for this one, yeah, until the next one.